Hi everyone, I'm Prakalpa, the co-founder of Social Corps. I'm going to tell you about 8 months ago. I've been working on Social Corps for about a year and a half, and I'd like to tell you our story. Uncollected garbage. How many of us have complained about it? In India, it's estimated that 40% of waste goes uncollected every single day, causing diseases like cholera, typhoid, malaria, name it. Potholes, bad road infrastructure. It's estimated that every single hour, 3 people in India die just because of accidents caused by bad road infrastructure. There are about 60 people here in that room. It's going to take us about 2 days. All of us will be dead. It's a huge problem that not many of us really talk about. Traffic congestion. Who complains? Traffic is a problem. I'm late to a meeting. I'm sorry. It's estimated that India loses $10.2 billion every single year just because of economic loss due to traffic congestion as a big problem. These are problems that have become a part and parcel of our daily lives. But behind these big numbers are real lives. Like that of Prabhakar from Bangalore, who one day, 20-year-old guy was on his way to office, he swerved to avoid a manhole. He was crushed to death by a BBMP bus. It was the simplicity of these problems and the magnitude of their impact that led us to try and understand where were these problems. Was there a way that we could actually solve them? So we took a train trip around India as part of Jagriti Yatra 2012 to understand where the root of these problems were. And across the length and breadth of the country, we found one important thing. At the root of all these problems, there was one acute lack of social data. Today, Google Maps will tell you how to go from one place to another, but Google Maps as a girl never tells me what's the safest route to take home. When I'm buying a house, I know that the price per square feet in Saket is versus the price per square feet in Malviya Nagar, but I don't know crime rates, sanitation rates, what's the quality of public schools in that area. And kind of in-depth into these communities, we found an information gap in communities. A traffic police commissioner doesn't know exactly where to allocate resources to fix a broken traffic light. On the other hand, as a citizen, I have no idea when there's going to be a traffic disruption. Is there a way to solve these problems? We found the answer to that question in the village of Devaria in Uttar Pradesh, where there were more mobile phones than there were toilets in the country. How many people in this room have a mobile phone? Anyone without a mobile phone? Anyone at all? No, right? Just representative of the entire world. 6.8 billion people in the world today have mobile phones. Can we turn citizens into human sensors that contribute every single day to create the social data layer on top of the world, solving our biggest problems and civic issues? The Social Corps platform essentially does just that. We use technology, we use mobile phones to crowdsource citizen data, engage citizens. We work with on-ground partners across civic issues, public health, and education to try and create that data that is lacking in today's world. So how are communities today using the platform? Let me take you to the city of Ranchi. So Ranchi had the problem of poor street lighting since anyone ever remembers it. My co-founder comes from Ranchi. So there were a group of 5 university students in Ranchi as part of the I Lead India team of Times of India. And they wanted to do something about poor street lighting. So they went about a campaign where they essentially got citizens to give information, crowdsource information via mobile phones on where the dark spots of the city really were. Essentially what we could do was create a map that said these were the red areas of the city. Interestingly, these same 5 university students got the Deputy Mayor of Ranchi on board. The Deputy Mayor of Ranchi came on board to allocate 2.15 crores to fixing broken streetlights in Ranchi, literally bringing light to that neighborhood. About 2,000 streetlights were fixed. This was just before Diwali, so the entire city was actually lit up. Bringing back that problem of garbage, so many of us said that it's a problem we've all complained about, right? So the citizens in Punjabi Bagh in Delhi decided to do something beyond complaining. How many of us have rated restaurants on a site like Zomato? Anybody? So the same way, people started rating their streets. So on a scale of 0 to 9, people were rating the cleanliness of their streets. We match those off to the Safai Karamcharis who work in that area. So Mukesh is a Safai Karamchari who's been working in Punjabi Bagh for 20 years. Nobody's ever looked at him twice. The day he got our award, he came to me and said that, ma'am, for the past 20 years, I've not told my son what I do because I've been ashamed of what I do. And today, because of you, my son is proud of me. Back to the question, social leader. Can we create all these citizens coming together, talking about democracy, talking about technology? Can we create a way when every single person in this room is contributing to data? We all protested for the longest time. Data goes into essentially our data station, where we pull our data from the internet. We pull our data from open government data sets, creating maps, visualizations, analytics, that essentially tell us where problems are and what needs to be done to solve these problems. We work with on-ground partners who essentially have the ability to solve these problems. Today we're working with an on-ground network of citizens, closed network, essentially working and giving us information on causes that they're passionate about. Education, midday meal schemes, we work with Akshaya Patra, public transport, civic issues, sanitation. So the question I'm going to pose to you is that all it's going to take for you to participate in your community, rather than going to Jantar Mantar and shouting a protest, is genuinely just take out your phones. All you need is your smartphones. So I'm going to have an open invitation out to everyone here. Join us. Let's not be news spectators anymore. Let's be social cops. Tweet to us at social_cops with our hashtag I want to be a social cop for an invitation to join the closed network. Thank you.